Hey creators and professionals, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a head-to-head comparison of two powerful contenders in the garment production world, the Lion and Emel direct drive industrial sewing machines. Whether you run a fashion house or you're just upgrading your production setup, this is the video you can't afford to miss. Both Lion and Emel are popular brands in the direct drive sewing machine category. They're known for their quiet operation, energy efficiency, and high-speed performance. But which one truly delivers when it comes to handling bulk production, smooth stitching, and cost-effectiveness? Let's find out. Feature Lion Emel. Motor. Both uses 550W direct drive. Speed. 2 Lion, 5,000 stitches per minute. Emel, 4,800 stitches per minute. Needle type. Both uses DBX1. Stitch quality. 2 Lion very consistent. Emel good but slightly less tight. Noise level. 2 Lion. Very low. Emel. Low. 2 Lion power consumption 50% less than clutch motor. Emel. Similar efficiency. The Lion machine slightly edges out the Emel with higher speed and tighter stitching quality. Both machines are energy efficient with direct drive technology, reducing vibration and noise. Advantages and disadvantages. 2 Lion machine. Pros. Faster stitching speed. Excellent for heavy workload and thick fabrics. Smooth handling and precise finish. Quiet operation. 2 Lion. Cons. Slightly more expensive currently. Spare parts may be less accessible in some regions. Emel machine. Pros. More affordable. User-friendly for beginners. Readily available parts and support. Handles both light and medium fabrics well. Emel. Cons. Slightly lower stitch speed. May not perform well under heavy continuous load. Stitching may need frequent tension adjustments. As of 2025, here's a general price range for both machines. Lion direct drive, $395,000, $400,000. Emel direct drive, $400,000, $5,000, $400,000, $20,000. Prices vary by location and dealer, but Emel tends to cost more due to its high demand and high acceptance. 2 Lion is more budget-friendly, which is a big plus for startups. In real-time production, Lion provides a seamless feel, especially during long hours. The vibration is almost non-existent, making it easier on the hands and wrists. It's a machine built for speed and power. Emel is lighter, making it easier to move around. It's a good choice for beginners and those in small-scale production. However, under intense load, it might require more frequent maintenance. So, which one should you go for? If you run a medium to large-scale fashion business and need speed, power, and precision, Lion is worth the investment. But if you're starting out or working with light to medium fabrics, Emel gives you the best value for your money. I hope this deep comparison helps you make the best choice for your production line. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments and let me know which machine you prefer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more fashion production insights. See you in the next one.